A very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine. Ninth graders, in last video we have discussed about chapter 2nd, that was session 2. Now we are continuing with next part of session 2, that is self confidence building tips. How we can make self confidence, how we can be more confident. It is on page number 59 as per your book. So there are some tips that are used to make you self confident. First one, getting rid of negative thoughts. Second one, thinking positively. Third one, staying happy with small things. Fourth one is staying clean, hygienic and smart. And fifth one is chatting with positive people. So let's start with first one. First one is getting rid of negative thing. Never think about negative thing. Always try to ignore the negative part and try to remind the positivity of your life. What you have done positive for your whole life. So it is the way to reduce your stress. It is the way to make you more confident. Like there are some ideas are there how you can rid your negative thoughts, how you can replace your negative thoughts. So first one, create positive belief or try to develop the positive attitude as per your requirement. Second one, think about how things could work for you. It means don't try to bother, am I audible, am I able to do the task on time. Just think about how things are working for you people. And third point, think about how you can improve your life, how you can improve your skill, how you can improve your ideas. So it will automatically generate you the confidence. Or direct set up your inner mind. It means it happens in mind. In mind we are having so many negative things. So always make a mind for positive things only. Don't think about the negative things in your life. Next point, constantly focus on positive things so you will attract positive events. Always try to focus on the positive part of your life. Don't never think about negative part that you have followed in your whole life. Next is start directing your mind to create the life that you want. Try to develop the habit of your life, try to make the habit of your life to make it a successful life by thinking the idea that you want to implement in your whole life. It means how you are feeling happy, try to implement the same idea for your life. That's why you will be able to rid the negative effect. You will be able to replace your negative thinking and pay attention to get it convert from negative to positiveness. So the main thing, pay careful attention into your thoughts. Your thoughts should be positive, it should not be negative. So these are some ways to replace the negativity or negative thought from your life. Second is think positively or thinking positively. Think and act positively. Adopt a more positive mindset by focusing on your achievement. Again and again same point is coming. Just focus on that specific part, that is your positiveness, that is your growth, that is your improvement in life or success in life. So the truth is that positive things and self confidence make you hand in hand. It will help to make you more confident, it will make you more attractive, and people who have confidence definitely they will be able to perform the positivity in their whole life. They will be able to think positive always. Third point, that is staying happy with small things. Most important point of your life, that is always stay happy with by thinking small event or by thinking small appreciation. Like first one point, that is there, smile and laugh. Like two things are there, smile and laugh. Laugh is coming on a specific topic, while smile you can do in front of mirror. When you want to make it positive, just stand in front of mirror and laugh for a minute, so you will feel energy in a positive way. Second point that can be followed, that is read a good books. Always try to read the books that are motivational. Don't try to read the books that will create negativity in your mind. Always try to think about positive books. Next point, call or text to a friend. If you are feeling bored, you are not feeling happy, just call or send message to your friend and share your ideas, share your problem, definitely you will get the solution from your friend. He will motivate you definitely. Next is write down things you are grateful for. Always write your positive points. Always write your positive points that you are able to confidently do. Positive points will provide you the positivity automatically. Next point, give someone a compliment. This is the major concept. If you are giving compliment to someone, definitely he will also give you the compliment. If you are doing commenting on someone, he will also give reply in form of comments. So give one time compliment to someone and you will get the positivity from second side also. Next is exercise. Exercise is the best way to make you happy. How it is possible? Exercise give you the endorphins. It make you happy. Hit up your nearest gym. It means try to join the gym. In the gym time, physically maintain yourself, and after physically maintenance, you will feel happy. You will feel confident more. And next point that can you follow, watch a funny videos. When you are getting bored, you are not satisfied from your life, you are feeling much bored. In that case, you can see some motivational videos, you can see some videos that are very funny, that will make you laugh. And next is sleep for some time. Like you are not feeling happy, you are feeling bored, in that case take a rest for 15 to 20 minutes and your body will be get relaxed. Afterward you can start your work accordingly. It is give relaxation for little bit time. Afterward you will be refreshed and you can start up your work on right time. Next is recite your mantras. If any life mantra is there, you have made any mantra of success, again and again remind that mantra. I have to do this task, I have to do this task. This is the success of your life. This is called mantra. Next is meditate. Meditation is the best way. When you are doing meditation, you will feel peace in your mind. If peace in your mind is there, definitely you will be more confident. You can work in a positive sense always. And last one, have a dance party. Again you are feeling bored, you are not feeling confident, just arrange a small event with your friends or families. Arrange a small party in which you can make some tables, you can make some dances events, and you will feel that you are feeling happy after conducting this type of dance parties. Next point, that is staying clean, hygienic and smart. This is the method, that is daily routine activity. Always stay healthy, create a good image of yourself, avoid feeling ashamed in public areas. Whenever you are taking bath on daily basis, you are washing your hand regularly, you're using brush for teeth on daily basis, it means you are hygienic person. And if you are hygienic, nobody will feel you ashamed in any specific event or any party. So personal hygiene and sanitization practice can be divided according to following steps. First one, take bath. It serves you sanitize your body. Second part, washing. It involves cleaning hands and before handing food, using the bathroom or cleaning wounds. Or brush your teeth daily basis. It will make you hygienic, because dental disease and bad breath is also the major problem. And last point, that is deodorants. It is the application of products destined to maintain cleanliness. It means you can use sanitizer, you can use some perfume, you can use some different things that are providing you the energy, refreshment they are providing. So it is also the part of your self-confidence level. And last one step that we are going to discuss, that is chatting with your positive people. Always try to make the network in which people are involved in a positive way. They are thinking positive, they are giving ideas in a positive way. So there are some ideas, some qualities which positive people possess. Positive people believe in themselves. Always they are confident, they are believe in their own ideas. And these people take calculated risk and push themselves. Always they are able to calculate their risk in life. Afterward they can measure how it can be covered. Next point, these people take responsibility for their mistakes. If they are not feeling 100% correct, in that case they will take the responsibility for the same and they will commit with themselves. They will not repeat the same thing in future. They will improve their mistakes. Next is they don't worry about what others thinks. They are always busy in their own ideas. They are not thinking about others, what they are doing. They are doing gossip, they are doing rumors. What are they are doing? They are not believing on anyone. They are busy in their own activities only. And they openly share their opinion with others. They will be able to discuss the ideas or share the idea with their friend circle or with their family members. Next is confident people make eye contact. It's the mandatory part. If you are sitting in a grade, you are confident, you are listening attentively. It means you know the concept, what is going on. So eye contact will be there in between of speaker and listener. And they accept themselves for who they are and proud to themselves. They know their final goal or destination, where they have to arrive, and they achieve that goal with a proper success. Next is confident people accept compliments generally. It happens if you are confident, your friend circle, your family members, your event person, always you will get compliment from all sides. It is also the concept of positivity. And self-confident people see life as being up to them and not out of their control. The people or the person who are fully confident, they knows that the whole life control is in their own hand. It is not dependent upon another. They can take their own decision on right time. And the last point, they don't judge others to feed their own egos. They never believe in judging to the others what they are doing, what is the ego level of other, what is the attitude level of other. They only try to maintain their self positivity. So always try to chat with the person who are always positive. So afterward, dear students, second session of chapter second is complete. After this chapter is also completed. If you are facing any problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. It is 999 111 8890. Dear students, in your semester exams, till third chapter syllabus will be covered. That is ICT skill. We will start in next session. Thank you. Have a nice day for this session.